Stop generating AI for images one by one for YouTube faceless videos. In this video, I'm giving you my free tool that generates up to 500 images in a single click. But the real secret is an all-in-one AI video engine that automates everything. And I'm giving away a free premium subscription to it. You have to watch to find out what the tool is and how to win. Let's get started. All right. So as you can see, these are all the images that I generated in a single instance. This means that all the images you are seeing, I provided the prompts for them once, and I generated them all at the same time. So, how can you do this? I have created this image generator tool. It's a completely free tool that allows for bulk generation. As you can see, I gave it prompts once, and it created everything for me. You just have to provide your prompts and click generate. Let me show it to you in full screen. So, this is the entire interface in front of you. These are all the images. Here, you can also provide a reference image. And here below, you just need to provide your prompt and then generate it. This is the entire interface. These are the images, and you can see the results are in full HD. It's not as if you are getting things in low resolution. You can also download them one by one. Or, if you want to download them all together, you can do that as well. And being able to automate your entire image workflow like this is a massive time saver. But this got me thinking, what if you could take that same automation and apply it to your entire video? Meet Videotok. It's not just another editor. It's an AI-powered video engine designed to put your content creation on autopilot. If you run a faceless channel, you can finally solve the branding problem. Videotok lets you create consistent AI characters, giving your channel a recognizable face that builds a real connection with your audience. The workflow is insane. It can take a link from any blog post or article and instantly transform it into a video. Or you can just upload a voiceover, and the audio-to-video AI will build out a complete visual story for you from scratch. And for creating viral shorts or promos, this is a secret weapon. It has a library of UGC-style AI avatars. You can also make your own avatar for UGC. This will let you generate authentic-looking content that gets attention, all without hiring a single actor. It can even generate stunning, professional-grade CGI video ads that look like they came from a major studio. To keep everything on brand, you can even clone your own voice, ensuring your unique sound is consistent across all of your automated content, truly making it yours. I wanted to put it to the test, so I gave it a simple text script about my channel's journey. I selected my brand style, chose an AI voice, and let it go to work. In just a few minutes,
Creator uploading videos to complete silence. My subscriber count stuck at 47. My latest video had just 12 views. I was ready to quit.
This is the incredible result it produced. This is the future of scaling content creation. If you want to stop spending hours editing and start automating, you have to try this. Use the link in my description to explore Videotok for free. A huge thank you to them for sponsoring this video. To enter the giveaway for this subscribed account, just like this video, follow us on Instagram and comment with your thoughts. We'll announce the winner as soon as the video gets just 500 likes. Alright, so as promised, let me show you exactly how you can get my free bulk image generator. I have provided a link below in the description. You just need to go there, and when you click on that link, an interface like this will open in front of you. Google AI Studio will open up, and this tool that I have built will be open in front of you. This is its entire interface. There's an option for single generation, meaning if you want to generate one image, you can do that too. And if you want to work in bulk, you can do that here as well. The one thing you need to make sure of is that any prompt you add must be on a single line. If it goes onto a second line, it will be considered a new prompt. Just as you can see here, when the same prompt went to a second line, it was considered as two prompts. So you need to make sure your prompt is on a single line. In the tool I've created, you can generate up to 50 images at once. As you can see, I've currently given it 9 prompts, but you can generate up to 50 images in a single instance. However, if you want to increase this limit, you simply need to come down here to the bottom left corner, and as you see me writing, you just have to give it instructions on how much you want to increase the limit. You just give the instruction, press enter, and it will increase the limit accordingly. Here, you can provide a reference image if you want images of a certain style. Below that is the image style, realistic, photographic, meaning whatever kind of image style you need, all the styles are added in here. Here is the option for how many results you want per prompt. It goes up to 4 results, but I'll keep it at 1. And here are all the aspect ratios: portrait, landscape, and all the available options are here. So now, as you can see, I've provided some prompts here. I'll give you a practical demonstration as well. I'll show you how to do it. I've simply entered the prompts, selected the aspect ratio, set the image style to realistic, and now I'll click on Generate Images. Now it has started the image generation. Let me show it to you in full screen. There you see, it has generated all the images based on the prompts, and they are all ultra realistic. Now all these images are in front of you. If you want to download them one by one, you can. Or leave the ones you don't like. You can do it that way. Or you can simply use the Download All button here to download them all at once in a zip file. Now you can see, I'll open the folder and extract the zip file here. And there you go. All the images have been downloaded in a single instance. And the benefit of this is that when you take them into CapCut or any other video editing tool, they will come in sequentially. So this is the whole tool in front of you. You'll get this pre-built tool. Here, you can add or remove any kind of feature you want. You can do it very easily. It's totally dependent on your creativity. I hope you enjoyed this short video today.